'Cause what happens in a small town stays in a small town. Every back road we've ever gone down, Friday night bleachers, Sunday pews, ain't a county line mile without a memory of you. Every whisper, every room I walk in, every time the bartender fills it up again. Everybody knows why I'm here and you ain't around. 'Cause what happens in a small town stays in a small town. Hey guys, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn What Happens in a Small Town by Brantley, Gilbert, and I can never remember the girl's name. Oh, Lindsey L. So this is a great song. It's really popular on the radio right now, and I haven't done a Brantley Gilbert song, so I'm trying to really spice it up for you guys and do like different country songs all the time. So real quick, to all of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. And then for those of you who haven't, or who are watching this for the first time, if you find it useful, please subscribe so you can see new videos I come out with that will help you learn other songs to play. So let's get into it. This is a great song. Some of you have seen my other videos. I call this kind of like a raw guitar song because there's no capo and it's in standard tuning. So you can just go and play. So let's get started with it. All right. So the way that you start, you're gonna use 4 chords throughout the song, and they're mostly in the same order. Not always, but mostly. Okay. So you're gonna start with B, and if you don't know how to do B, so you're gonna do that. You're gonna do pinky on the the 4th fret on the B string, ring finger on the 4th fret on the G string, middle finger on the 4th fret on the D string, sorry, and then your pointer finger is going to go up there on the 2nd fret on the A string. All right, now if that's hard, that's how it sounds, but if that's hard, you can play it like a power chord. That's actually, I don't know if you noticed, that's how I was playing it. It's not that B is too hard for me, I just prefer to play it this way. So I learned with power chords, but they're just great. So you can play it just like that. So you just, basically, you wouldn't play your pinky down there, you'd move your pinky up one, and you're not going to use all 3 of your fingers, you're just going to use those 2. So it's going to be like that and that. So this one, pointer finger will still go on the 2nd fret on the A string. Then your ring finger is going to go on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky would go on the 4th fret on the G string. Okay, so it sounds like that. Now, if you're going to strum the whole thing, you'll notice a difference. But if you're just playing strumming like that, okay. And one tip too is I'm muting the E string, the big E string, with my pointer finger because I've got it here and I'm touching it here. See, I'm muting that. So you can do that as well. And that's one thing that's nice about guitars. It's not like a really blunt instrument. Like you can't hear everything. You can dull a lot of stuff. So you can do that. It's not going to matter if you play with it open, but I think it sounds better to have it muted. Okay? So you're going to do B. Then you're going to do G sharp minor. So that's basically another power chord. You can bar it, but it's going to be easier if you just play it like a power chord. So you're just going to go 4th fret, starting on the E string with your pointer finger, and then 6th fret with your ring finger on the A string, and then with your pinky. That might be kind of hard to see. With your pinky, you're going to put it on the 6th fret on the D string. Okay, and now you should be barring this. That's how it'll sound if you bar it. If you don't bar it, it'll sound like that. So you don't have to, remember though, you don't have to strum all the ones down there. You can just strum the top 3 mainly, 3 or 4. Okay? So that's G sharp minor. Then you're gonna go to E. E is very simple. All right? So just a standard E. I'm not gonna show you how to do that because it's super simple. Okay, so you're gonna do E. I don't know if you can starting to hear the song right now, but that's how it goes. And then you're gonna do F sharp. Okay? So you're gonna put, and again, you can play this like a power chord. The one thing you'll want to do that I do think makes it sound a lot better is that you're going to want to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret, okay, on the G string. Now you're supposed to bar this. You don't have to if it's a little hard because you're already playing the top 4 strings anyway. Okay, so you're not going to play these ones down here. That's what it sounds like if you bar chord it. But if you don't, it sounds like that. But there's no difference in the top 4 strings because they sound the same. They're the same either way. So if you can't bar it, that's an easier way to do it. And if you really can't put your middle finger down, That's okay as well. It'll just be a little bit more of a power chord. See that? Okay, so the verse goes B, G sharp minor, E, F sharp. Okay, so it's I can't go for a ride to clear my head, and this is a very easy strumming pattern. I can't go for a ride to clear my head. Now you can do it like that. I recommend throwing a little bit of this up, down, up in it. So you can go, I can't go for a ride to clear my head. See that? I did that a little bit different, but you can just do this straight downs. I can't go for a ride to clear my head. So I'm doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you go to G sharp minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. That's on E, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So, but you're going to want to play it a little bit different for the verses and the chorus. So the verse is going to go, I can go for a ride to clear my... And you could just do it one open, like strum or something. But you don't have to. So you can go, I can go for a ride to clear my head every time, because everything I pass puts you back in it. Yeah, we're done moving on. But you can't be too far gone. I sing it a little bit lower than he does. That's how that goes. And so you end it on the F sharp, okay? Then when you go into the chorus, you're gonna do, you're gonna play the chords in the same order, but you're gonna play it like louder and faster. Cause what happens in a small town stays in a small town. Okay, just like that. So you're gonna go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, you're gonna play that through twice. So you do because what happens in a small town. So B, all right, G sharp minor. Okay, then you go to E. Then you're gonna go to F sharp. You play it again, okay, so you go B, G sharp minor, E, F sharp, and then you go back to cause what happens in a small town stays in a small town. Okay, so then you go B, G sharp minor, and then you start cycling again through it for the verses. So then you go B, G sharp minor, E, F sharp, okay? And then so the second verse is the same. That's the female part. Honestly, it wouldn't really matter if the guy sang both. Like it doesn't have to be a duet. Okay, so then the bridge is the same thing. You're just going to play the bridge is louder. All right. So if you've seen some of my other videos, no, I almost always say the song is not typically just the same like loudness level throughout the whole thing. Like they'll like play some fewer instruments at parts and stuff and slow it down and speed it up. This is the part where I would say if you want to play it like they do, they make it louder. And you do the same strumming pattern, but you can do it like faster, okay? Like more strums in it, okay? So, but the rhythm is still going to be the same. And I don't have any of the lead guitar in this, so if you guys want, I can try and figure it out. I'm just giving you how to play the chords. I like to play it so that I can sing it as well, sing it at the same time, which is usually harder with lead guitar. I'm no John Mayer, so okay. So the bridge is that same thing. It's just that B, G sharp minor, E, F sharp minor. Then you're going to go through B and G sharp minor one more time, just like at the end of the chorus, and then you go into the chorus. Okay, so then you do that whole thing. You end the chorus is just the same, and then the outro, you're going to do B, G sharp minor, then B. Okay, so it's not the normal order. It's B. It stays in a small town. Okay. Stays in a small town, and I'm still here. Okay, so it goes B, G sharp minor, then B again, then G sharp minor, then E, then F sharp, and it ends on the F sharp. It's just like, okay, so you do the F sharp minor after you're done saying all the words. All right, so that's the whole song. It's super easy, pretty easy strumming pattern. You don't have to know a lot of picking or anything. You can play it with a pick. I don't, because frequently I don't play songs with picks because I don't want to wake up my neighbors or wake them up or just bother them in the middle of the day, you know.